Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign, and this reading is from April 21st to April 30th. So this is general, so may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's check the message, what happened in your connection past. So what is going on your connection right now? We'll see future later. In past, the Emperor, 6 of Swords, 8 of Wands. Right now, the Queen of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, King of Wands. In past, definitely your person is committed to you. And Emperor, he is very honest, definitely. I think you both are in long distance relationship. You both live, could be in different cities. 8 of Wands, definitely in past you both communicate each other back and forth, definitely. There is a communication in past. Right now also you both very passionate with each other, you both attracted to each other, definitely very strongly, because Queen of Wands and King of Wands, lot of passionate couple. This is very strong couple. And the 10 of Pentacles, you both want to stabilize this connection, definitely 10 of Pentacles. So it is very positive reading, Aquarius. So let's pull some cards. Your person, near future actions towards you. 4 of Pentacles, 4 of Cups. I think lot of earth energy. You or your person between Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. 4 of Swords. But in near future, your person may be acting like stubborn due to he is also feeling sad due to some emotional baggage. You maybe know the reason for his behavior, definitely, because 4 of Swords also here. He want to take some rest and he want to some meditation state. He want to be in some meditation state in near future. So let's pull some clarification cards here. Why is here 4 of Cups, Knight of Wands, and 4 of Pentacles? Why 5 of Wands? Yes, there are some disputes in near future, definitely. You both will argue for some reasons, whatever. So your person may be undergo some meditation state to think about deeply about this connection, but later King of Wands, because passion, lot of passion between both of you, he will come towards you again. So let's pull some cards from universe. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Yes, Ace of Pentacles, Chariot, Knight of Cups. Yes, definitely your person want to offer this long-term commitment to you, and he want to take things next level, and that he want to offer his cup of love to you. Knight of Cups is slow but steady. It is stable offer. So you have to wait patiently. Balance is also needed. Definitely Chariot is very movement but slow. Definitely want to offer this pentacle to you. So it will take time, because in near future, in first he maybe undergo some meditation state. Later he realize you both and will come towards you and offer this cup and pentacle and commitment to you. So you have to wait, because both waiting for this is. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please stay home and stay safe. Bye.